The main thing is allergy. Allergy is one thing which mainly causes sinusitis. It can also be because of any mechanical block to the nose, which is septal deviation or any turbinate hypertrophy that can also cause sinusitis, and any infection or bacterial infection that can also cause sinusitis. Hello, I am Dr. Niranjana Bharathi. I'm a consultant ENT head and neck surgeon at Apollo Spectra, MRC Nagar, Chennai. So sinusitis is basically any inflammation or infection that we get in the sinuses is known as sinusitis. So why it occurs is basically because the main thing is allergy. Allergy is one thing which mainly causes sinusitis. It can also be because of any mechanical block to the nose, which is septal deviation or any turbinate hypertrophy that can also cause sinusitis, and any infection or bacterial infection or anything that can also cause sinusitis. So any patient who complains that they have a heaviness or a nasal discharge, we can think of sinusitis and treat them. Pain is more in the front, like maxillary region, frontal region and all, or an orbital pain. Sneezing and cold and all is more of an allergic symptom, which is also a cause of sinusitis. So to diagnose a sinusitis, the main thing is the history taking. So a proper history taking itself will lead us to a diagnosis of sinusitis. More tests that we need for sinusitis is a simple thing we can do is we can do a diagnostic nasal endoscopy, which is done in the outpatient department itself. So that will help us see if there are any pus discharge or any fluid discharge from the sinuses. It can also see any mechanical obstruction, which we can see in the nose, like a septal deviation or nasal polyps. Those changes can also be seen during a diagnostic nasal endoscopy. So basically we live in India, so 99% of the drugs are all over the counter. So you can still take over the counter medications, like you get even antibiotics over the counter, but it's still preferable to meet a doctor, get yourself diagnosed and then get yourself treated. There is nothing like to prevent sinusitis because it's basically due to allergy, so we can only keep it under control by keeping our environment, bedspreads, linen, everything clean, and we can do a regular nasal washing and all to prevent like infections or allergy changes in the sinus. For a patient who has already undergone a surgery, a regular proper visit to the hospital and follow-ups do help prevent sinusitis. So now that I've told you a part about sinusitis, anything that you face or any issues, please do visit us at Apollo Spectra, MRC Nagar, Chennai. Thank you.